我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。我们这个月都要替大家来加油，
加油，
加油。That means to give someone encouragement doing something, okay? And in different situations, it may be explained differently in English. 其实用英文解释，有时候要用不一样的状况来解释。比如说今天我们要介绍的一个状况，就是可能加班加很晚啊，然后呢，这个同事就会说加油啦，再过一天就要放假啦，对不对 ？Hang in there, and one more day, it's gonna be the holiday. Let's put you in a situation and teach you phrases like that. 好，来，我们听一下这个状况句。
已經暗夜嘅，唔限啲加班係麼？
係呀，上西當到做唔停。
加油，過一日就biong了嘅。
Let's break this down, this situation where he's getting some encouragement from his coworker or maybe his friend. 已經很晚了，你還在加班嗎？ It's getting late. Are you still working overtime?
已經暗夜嘅，
已經暗夜嘅，
唔限啲加班係麼？
唔限啲加班係麼？哦，你還在
加班是嗎？
加班就是加班，加班 that means to put overtime, working overtime, and it's getting late. 已經暗夜嘅 ，OK，
已經很晚了，
已經很晚了。我們壓就是吃晚餐也是壓嘛，
是壓的壓，
對，就是晚的意思。It's getting really late, and are you still working overtime? The person says, yes, I have a lot of things to do. I can't finish it. 對啊，事情很多做不完。
係啊，
係啊，
上西動到，
上西動到，
做唔停，
做唔停。That means I can't complete it. I can't finish it because there are too many things going on.
上西動到，
上西動到 That means a lot of things. 好，那對方呢可能就來加油打氣嘍，加油！再過一天就放假了 ，which means like hang in there for another day. The weekend is around the corner.
加油，
加油！
過一日就biong了誒。
過一日就biong了誒。
對，再過一天就放
就要放假了 ，OK， 這個過一天叫做
過一日，
過一日 ，OK， 過一天的意思。Another day and the holiday is going to be here， 就要放假了。All right, let's break down some of these phrases for you, including putting overtime， 加班，
加班，
加班，然後做不完 ，can't finish it，
做唔停，
做唔停。And then finally, to take a vacation or have the holiday around here, 放假，
biong了，
biong了。All right, let's listen to the conversation again right here.
已經暗夜誒，唔限啲加班係麼？
係呀，上西當到做唔停。
加油，過一日就biong了誒。
And this whole month, we're teaching you the phrase 加油，
加油，
加油。There you have it, another practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺是say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.